Top story. Who benefited from wheat import? Permission for wheat import was allowed when prices of wheat started decreasing in international market. Web desk. The Israeli forces have started pounding Rafah, where more than 1 million Palestinians are sheltering, killing at least 21 civilians, Al Jazeera reported. The victims included many children. The houses hit in Rafah included the homes of the Abu Lebda family, the Al-Attar family, the Shtawi family, the Al-Hashash family, the Kishta family and the Armalat family. The solar power tariff. The utility purchases solar power at less than half of its notified tariff. A further reduction will be blatantly unjust. 50-member Saudi trade delegation arrives. Federal Ministers Musaddiq Malik and Jam Kamal receive Saudi delegation. A special flight carrying a 50-member Saudi trade delegation touched down here on Sunday. Federal Minister for Petroleum Musaddiq Malik and Minister for Commerce Jam Kamal received the delegation comprising representatives of about 30 companies. The delegation is visiting Pakistan on the special directives of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, reports Geo News. The delegation will also hold discussions on various sectors for promotion of Pak-Saudi trade and strengthening business ties with local entrepreneurs. Kamal said the purpose of the visit was promotion of bilateral trade in which agriculture, mining, and human resources sectors will be focused. Moreover, energy, maritime and other sectors will also be targeted. The Pakistani companies will share their recommendations with the Saudi investors. Two-day Pakistan-Saudi Arabia investment conference will begin on Monday, today, to promote bilateral trade and investment, besides fostering a new era of growth and prosperity for the people of both the countries. The companies, which are part of the delegation, represent different economic sectors, including information technology, telecoms, energy, aviation, construction, mining exploration, agriculture, and human resource development. An official from the Ministry of Commerce said a large number of Pakistani companies in the respective sectors, whose officials would have business-to-business meetings with their Saudi counterparts, would hopefully enter into business and investment deals. He said Saudi Arabia was an oil-based economy with strong government controls over major economic activities. However, it was now undergoing transformation to reduce oil dependence, diversify income sources and enhancing competitiveness under the Vision 2030. Earlier, Malik said 76 Pakistani business companies had been shortlisted in this regard, adding that cooperation between Islamabad and Riyadh will be increased at the government and private levels. He said talks will take place at the federal level regarding petroleum, electricity, and oil refining sectors, adding that about 8 to 10 projects of $8 to $10 billion will also come under discussion. Projects from $500 million to $1 billion will also be included in the discussions, the minister said. He said discussions would also include modernization of refineries. Private medical institutions collecting billions of rupees from students. It is estimated that private medical institutions have collected around 75 to 80 billion rupees annually from students since 2019. SECP approves PACL restructuring. This order marks a significant milestone in the collaborative efforts of the Privatization Commission, Finance Division, Aviation Ministry, and PIA to restructure the airline. French bakers make world's longest baguette, beating Italy. The previous longest baguette of 132.62 meters was baked in the Italian city of Como in June 2019. Gangster turned FBI agent set for return to Karachi after losing U.S. citizenship. Warren Buffett compares AI to nuclear weapons, warns of scamming potential. He also talked about the enormous potential for scams using AI. Naila Kiani becomes first Pakistani woman to scale 11 8,000-meter summits. The mountaineer ascended the peak at approximately 8:50 a.m. PST. TikTok craze, 2 arrested for throwing blind men into flood. Anti-Pakistan rhetoric during India polls threat to Muslims, peace, Dar. Foreign Minister also expressed Pakistan's deep concern over Israel's ongoing military onslaught against the Palestinian people. Attending Kundi's oath-taking ceremony would have been waste of time, Gandapur. Appointment of Faisal Kundi as governor is part of power-sharing agreement between PPP and PMLN. Fake videos of Modi aides trigger political showdown in India election. Indian police arrested at least 9 people, including 6 members of Congress's social media teams.